All right, so the CLA 45 got returned with a broken driver's side mirror. All right, so it went out, but now I gotta fix stuff, which puts it out of commission. It's gonna take about a week or something, but this is the side effects of renting your vehicle on TUro. Okay, if you can't handle damages and stuff like that, don't put your stuff on TUro. But what you gotta realize is that's part of the business. That's part of it comes with the territory, if that makes sense. So got the part, was able to resolve the issue with the guests, of course, gotta file it through TUro, and then the information has got to be flowed through, and TUro recognizes what you're doing, and then you go ahead and you set up the resolution. So amicable resolution between guest and host. All right. But anyway, yeah. So what I could do is at some point I'm gonna put a picture so you can see what the damage is once I edit this video. And I'm gonna do a after once it's repaired. All right. And I want to use this opportunity to also inform all TUro hosts that you're gonna be required to. Yeah, I was just watching a vehicle just making a quick turn, hoping it didn't hit this car. Yes.